Jai Hind, my dear students. So today I will going to start with a new chapter from your English Alive course book. So here you can see English Alive course book. So from this book we will going to start with chapter number 5. And what is the name of the chapter? Good Night, Tinku. So in this chapter we will going to read about a puppy. Read the story of a pup who lives on a farm. So here it is clearly mentioned that we will going to study about a pup. Pup means puppy, baby of a dog, right? So let's start from this story, that what is there in the story. So here what is there in the story is like, let's start from the beginning. Tinku, a little pup, is not sleepy at all. He decides to go out in the night. Read on to find out what happens next. So, what is the name of that puppy? Tinku. It's the name of the puppy. Puppy is the baby of a dog. So, what is there? That this little baby puppy, he did not sleep for the entire life. And what he decided, instead of sleeping, he decided to go outside at night time. It was a bright moonlit night. All the animals on Mangu's farm were sleeping except Tinku. "I am not sleepy, Ma," murmured Tinku. But Ma did not hear him. She was fast asleep. He turned left and he turned right. He lay on his belly and rolled on his back, but he could not sleep. So what is happening here in the story, that this little puppy, he did not sleep for the entire night, and he decided that he will go in the night. Where he will go? He will go outside, right? So this night, it was a bright because moon was there, and from moon light was spread all around. And what happens there, that all the animals who were there in the farm, all were sleeping except this Tinku. Tinku is the name of the puppy. And he was talking to his mother. Murmur means talking in a slow voice. So he just said what he was doing. Ma did not, but when he was talking to his mother, his mother did not listen because his mother was sleeping. And then instead of sleeping, he was turning right side and the left side. And at one time he used to sleep on his belly, and on another way he rolled on his back, but he could not sleep. And this is how his night was getting over, that he did not sleep for the whole night. He just planned to go out in the moonlight and just see. So he set off to see what he could find. Set off means to start. So he decided that he will go outside in night. And what he was doing, he was looking in the sky. And when he was looking in the sky, what he saw? He saw moon. And he saw that stars were looking at him and smiling. So he was very happy. Night is beautiful, thought Tinku. And when he saw moon along with the star, he felt very happy, and he said that the night is beautiful. Far away on the top of a tree, there were some tiny lights. One light flew down. "I am a firefly," said the light. "I glow in the dark. Will you be my friend?" asked Tinku. "Yes, I will," said the firefly. So first, when he went outside in the night, he saw tiny firefly, means insects from which lights usually seen. And he asked that firefly that, "Will you be my friend?" And in return he got the answer that this firefly will become the friend of puppy, right? Means Tinku. Sometimes flew by and hung upside down on a tree. "What is your name, bird?" asked Tinku. "I am not a bird. I am a bat. I can see at night, said the bat. Will you be my friend? asked Tinku. Yes, I will, said the bat. Now, first he met with the firefly. Then second, when he was just moving, he saw another bird, and when he saw that something was there that was hanged up on the tree, so he asked that bird that what is your name, and in return he got the answer from the bird that I am not a bird but that is a bat, जिसको हम हिंदी में चमगादड़ बोलते हैं. एंड ही आस्क्ड, टिंकू आस्क्ड दैट बैट दैट विल यू बी माई फ्रेंड, क्या तुम मेरे फ्रेंड बनोगे. एंड उसको वापस रिटर्न में आंसर क्या दिया बैट ने कि यस आई विल बी योर फ्रेंड. अ फ्यू लीव्स मूव इन द बुशेस, समवन वॉज हाइडिंग देयर. हु आर यू आस्क्ड टिंकू. आई एम अ फॉग, सेड द फॉग. आई गो स्ट्रॉलिंग इन द नाइट. विल यू बी माई फ्रेंड asked Tinku. Yes, I will, said the frog. Now, first he met with the firefly, then second he met with the bat, and at third he met with fog. Then he saw that something was going towards bushes. Bushes means जो झाड़ियाँ थी उसमें कुछ ऐसे जाते हुए दिखा और उसको ऐसा लगा कि कुछ छुप रहा है. तो उसने वहाँ पे देखा तो उसने क्या, फॉग से उसने पूछा तो उसने क्या बोला कि मैं कौन हूँ, फॉग हूँ. एंड स्टॉलिंग मीन्स द वन हु मूव्स एट नाइट इन अ रिलैक्स्ड मैनर. और उसने क्या बोला, फॉग ने उसे कि मैं रात को ही घूमता हूँ. और जब टिंकू ने उसे पूछा कि क्या तुम मेरे फ्रेंड्स बनोगे, तो उसने क्या आंसर दिया फॉग ने कि यस आई विल बी योर फ्रेंड. टू शाइनी आइज लुक्ड एट हिम from a tree. Who are you? asked Tinku. I am an owl, said the owl. I hunt for food during the night. Will you be my friend? asked Tinku. Yes, I will, said the owl. So now when he was moving ahead, then he saw two shiny eyes. उसको दो चमकती हुई आंखें दिखाई दी. और जब उसने कहाँ पे दिखाई दी, ट्री में. Who are you? और टिंकू ने फिर पूछा Who are you means here Tinku was asking the question कि तुम कौन हो. Then what he got in answer that I am an owl. आंसर क्या मिला, जो दो चमकती आंखें उसने देखी वो किसकी थी, आउल की थी. और फिर उसने आउल ने क्या बताया कि आई हंट फॉर फूड ड्यूरिंग द नाइट. और आउल ने उसे क्या बोला कि रात को ही मैं अपना खाना सर्च करता हूँ, ढूंढता हूँ. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको पता है कि जो आउल होता है उसको रात को दिखता है और दिन में उसे दिखाई नहीं देता. और फिर टिंकू ने उससे पूछा विल यू बी माई फ्रेंड, आस्क्ड टिंकू. यस आई विल, सेड द आउल. और उसको आंसर किया दिया आउल ने कि यस आई विल बी योर फ्रेंड. So first he met with firefly, then he met with bat, then he met with fog, and then he met with owl. So 4. Now come to the next page, page number 47. Chirp, chirp. Who is there? Tinku asked. I am a cricket, said the cricket. I chirp when it is dark. Will you be my friend? asked Tinku. Yes, I will, said the cricket. So what is the meaning of cricket here is it's a small insect that make sounds at night, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं झिंगुर. झिंगुर को हम बोलते हैं क्रिकेट. ये जब बहुत अंधेरा होता है तब ये रात को आवाज करता है. तो उसको क्या सुनाई दिया, आवाज सुनाई दिया. तो टिंकू ने देखा और उसने क्या पूछा हु इज देयर, कौन है वहाँ. तो उसको क्या आंसर मिला कि मैं कौन हूँ, क्रिकेट हूँ, मतलब मैं झिंगुर हूँ और मैं रात को ही बोलता हूँ. और देन Tinku asked him that will you be my friend. Tinku then he got the answer that yes I will be your friend. Tinku and his friends jumped and tossed and rolled until Tinku felt sleepy. I am sleepy, I have to go home now, said Tinku. He was happy that he had many new friends. Now what is happening? Now cricket was the 5th one. So then he moved and his friends along with Tinku, his friends, his how many friends, 5 friends, they started jumping and moving here and there. And कब तक वो मूव करते रहे, जब तक टिंकू को अच्छे से नींद नहीं आई. एंड टिंकू को जब नींद आने लग गई तो टिंकू ने उनसे क्या बोला कि अब मुझे घर जाना है क्योंकि मुझे नींद आ रही है. और वो बहुत खुश था। कौन खुश था? टिंकू, क्योंकि वो रात में बाहर निकला और उसके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स बने। स्नगलिंग क्लोज टू माँ, स्नगलिंग मीन्स कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में। क्यों है कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन में? क्योंकि ही इज विद हिज मदर। नाइट इज नॉट अ बैड टाइम माँ, इट इज फुल ऑफ वंडरफुल बिगिंस। Yes, replied Ma, your new friends are nocturnal, just like wild dogs. Now, what he got in answer? When he went to his home, he was near to his mother, and at night, what he said that night is not a bad time. उसने अपनी मदर से बोला कि नाइट कोई बुरी चीज़ नहीं है, वो बहुत अच्छी है. Yes, replied Ma, and what answer he got from his mother? That yes, night is beautiful. And your new friends are nocturnal, just like wild dogs. Nocturnals कौन होते हैं? वो एनिमल्स होते हैं जो रात को जगते हैं और मूव करते हैं वन प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे। किसकी तरह? वाइल्ड डॉग्स की तरह। नॉक्टर्नल एनिमल्स ईट, प्ले, वर्क एट नाइट। उसकी मदर ने टिंकू को क्या बोला कि जो ये एनिमल्स होते हैं वो रात को ही खाते हैं, रात को ही खेलते हैं और रात को ही अपना काम करते हैं। काम क्या होता है उनका? मीन्स they need to search for themselves. They rest during the day, और वो दिन में क्या करते हैं? रेस्ट करते हैं. You must sleep now. Sleep will give you energy to play with your daytime friends tomorrow. Good night, dear, she said, hugging him tight. And what his mother said to him? That it's very late. You should sleep. Why he should sleep? Because sleep will give him energy, so that the next day he can play with his friends. And his mother told him, good night, dear, and hugging. And what she was doing? She hugged him and wished him good night. The bright round moon shone all night, spreading her light all around, and Tinku slept all through the night. And the moon was there in the sky. It was shining. It was scattering its lights, and in that moonlight, who was sleeping? Tinku. And in this way, the Tinku, the puppy, he slept very comfortably. So इस चैप्टर में क्या है कि जो टिंकू है उसने कितने फ्रेंड्स बनाए? 5 फ्रेंड्स बनाए. फर्स्ट फ्रेंड कौन बना उसका? फायर फ्लाई, राइट. देन सेकेंड फ्रेंड उसका कौन बना? उसका बैट, चमगादड़. थर्ड कौन बना? फॉक्स. फोर्थ कौन बना? owl. And fifth, cricket. So here you have to learn all the 5 names. These were the animals and bird who became friend of Tinku. So these 5 were the one who became the friend of Tinku. So कितने फ्रेंड्स बनाए टिंकू ने? 5 फ्रेंड्स बनाए. और क्यों वो खुश हुआ? क्योंकि रात में उसके 5 न्यू फ्रेंड्स बने और उसको रात इसकी वजह से बहुत अच्छी लगी और उस रात में उसे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से नींद आई. थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद.